All right, wowzers. We're just going to do page 6. Thankfully, there's only 8 problems, all right? And all the math that we're doing is simple multiplication and addition. But we just have to remember that this is a game, all right? Don't worry about how we're going to use it in real life. This is a game. And how can we win the game, okay? So let's talk about some strategies for winning. I'm going to take this one, which is actually one of the example problems that they gave you, but let's use our little method that we taught you in the last video. So I'm going to take this row from the top and bring it down, which puts the -1 here, the 4 here, the -2 here. All right. Then we're going to multiply these two together, get -8 plus, whoops, we're multiplying 36, and then -3. Okay, so you multiply them out. Then we're going to take the same numbers times the second row here. And that's going to go over here. So -2 times -2 is +4. And then 4 times 5 is 20. -1 times 7 is -7. Okay? Then we'll do the bottom row. So let's drop the bottom row in here. So the 0 goes on the bottom, 2, 3. And then we'll multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. 18, 0. And then we'll do this one over here. So -6, 10, 0. So when we put these all together, we're going to have -11, so 25. And then down here, 12 plus 18 is 20. 30 and 17 and 4. All right, is that what they got? 25, 30, 17, and 4. Yay! Wow. All right. I always feel good when we do get the right answer. It doesn't always happen. And they all right, let's do this one. This is actually problem number 8. See, aren't you glad you tuned into this video? We're going to do a problem with you. I'm not going to finish it for you, but let's set it up. All right, step 1 is we take the top row, drop it down here. So 2, 1, 3. What's different here is we have 3 instead of just 2. So that means our answer is going to have more rows and columns, all right? So 2, 1, 3 drops down into position. Now we can multiply and get 6 plus 1 plus 3, okay? Now we're gonna have the middle row. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 plus -9. And now we're going to do the upper right-hand corner. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 plus, oops, 0. 3 times 0 is 0. Okay, we're multiplying. 4, 1, 0. All right. Now let's bring the next row, drop it into position. So the 0 drops down there, the 4 there, the -1 pulls in behind. And now I can multiply. -1 times 3, -3, 0, 0. All right. 0, 4, 0. -1 times 2 is -2. 4, and then 0 times 0 is 0. Okay. If we did this right, oh, this is dangerous. If I get down like this, I might not get up. I'm thinking this should be 10. -3. 1 plus -9 is -8. 4. I wasn't going to finish this for you, but I am curious to see if I did it right. Okay. Oops. Once you get old, you get down on your knees like this and you say, what else do I need to do while I'm down here? So I'm just going to stay on my knees. Maybe I can pray while I'm down here. No, we did something wrong. Oh, I see what I did wrong right here. We had that 0 and I said 1. So that changes that to be 9. Did you catch that while I was doing it? And you didn't say anything? Maybe you did. Good for you. Okay? It's always good as a student to be watching over the teacher's shoulder and see if they're doing it correctly. Don't just assume they get the right answer. Okay. -3, 14. Yay! All right. So did you follow that? All right. Don't get frustrated. Treat it like a game. Celebration. Easy math here at the end of the course. Now, as you move into, make sure you score and correct everything, then you're going to move into page 7 and 8, which is a checkup, okay? And then we'll be back to talk about page 9.